let's talk about breath and breathing. Why do I say that? Because in the middle of these workshops or in the work that we're doing, strong emotions arise. And when strong emotions arise, people will start breathing more shallowly, more rapidly. And of course, you can imagine what that does to your ability to function. So one of the things that you can do with a group is invite them to pause and breathe, even just pay attention to their breath. There's some wonderful work being done here in town, actually, in the Twin Cities by Resmaa Menakem and others who are very focused on healing from racialized trauma. But here's a very simple breathing exercise. I'm going to count as you breathe in, and then I'm going to count as you breathe out. And the goal is to pay attention to your breath, to breathe in more quickly and to breathe out more slowly. And if you do that a couple times, it will slow down your breath. So let's just try this. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do that in lots of different ways. The point is to slow down your breathing. The point is to invite everybody to pay attention to their breath. There are ways to hum. There are ways to tap your wrist. There are all sorts of things that you can do. But the goal here is to help people return to being as present as they can be in the middle of really difficult conversations.